The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, Greene County, southwestern Clark County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Pigeon to Union, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Huber Heights, Trotwood, Yellow Springs, Fairborn, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, downtown Dayton, Cedarville, Beaver Creek, Kettering, Xenia. In addition, Hustia, Pigeon, Springfield Municipal Airport, Northview, Shiloh, Northridge, Clifton, and Fort McKinley are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 25 and 55, Interstate 75 between mile markers 48 and 68. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
This is nothing short of amazing out here, and I want to introduce you to Shannon.
Now for the